Hi, welcome back to Insight 2014. We're here on the show floor, Insight Central. I'm Richie Jennings, and I'm joined by Martin Heisig from SAP. Martin, hi.
Hi, Richie. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for coming so much. Tell us a little bit about what you do at SAP.
Yeah, actually, I'm running the infrastructure at SAP. And actually, I have two heads. I have the internal head, which is more or less I'm running IT for SAP. And the second head is I'm also running the cloud infrastructure for our external cloud offerings. And this is more or less I'm serving all the customers in SAP cloud customers, actually.
Very good. Okay. So you have a keynote coming up, a general session coming up. And give us a sneak peek. Tell us what it is you're going to say, but we won't tell anybody. It'll still be a surprise when you go up on stage later today.
Yeah, sure. No, I think the overall story is, I think we have to face reality that the world is changing, right? So we in the IT industry, we see the new mega trends, cloud, big data, mobility, social media, and some others. And this being said, we believe CIO organizations especially need to change, they need to transform. And this being said, also SAP needs to transform to serve that as well. And just to give you one concrete example, and what you want to make it sure, but if you look at cloud, for example, with cloud, line of businesses can easily bypass the IT organization completely.
The so-called shadow IT problem.
Yeah, we call it line of business IT, so don't give it a... Because there's also, and there's some truth in it, you cannot ignore this. This is not, you cannot say stop it, because there's a need to somehow to make that happen, right? But what does it mean for data protection, IP protection, security, IT budget, and so on? There's a lot of questions around that. But important to understand is that that's reality, right? And so this being said, also SAP needs to change, and we need to somewhat adapt to that. If you look at, for example, the top 500 companies in the world, they all run SAP, and they all run SAP on-premise. And I think we are well known for doing that in a very good manner, so to say. Otherwise, we wouldn't be there where we are today. But on the other hand side, we also realize the cloud is something which enables our customers to be faster, to innovate faster, to create benefits faster. I tell you, the times where we do implementations about 12, 24 months, that's over.
Wow, yes, yeah, it's a different world.
It's a different world. And that's also true for SAP as a company. So therefore, I think we also need to transform. This being said, we need to come up with a new way how we operate with our customers and to be very open. SAP was seen in the past as a very complex company, from our products, how it's going to be implemented, how we run this, how we interact with our customers, how we do service and support. That will change. I think the good news is SAP has realized we need to get more simple, and we need to help our customers to run simple as well. So this being said, you will see new solutions coming up from a product point of view. Beautiful applications with new front ends across all the different applications, even the acquired ones. We will have a different way how to interact with our customers in respect to service and support, but also how we operate internally. And that's more or less coming and also create a spin with NetApp. NetApp is helping us a lot to come to this unification of platforms, come up with new ideas how to operate, and this is where we need to leverage new solutions as well internally.
So that was information packed, that answer. So let me try and unpick this a little. You SAP, like a lot of other companies of your size and your vintage, are reinventing themselves. You realize that it has to be easier to do business with you. And the products need to be easier to use and need to be better integrated. And it's all about change, right? And business after business after business struggle with this reinvention, this change idea.
Absolutely. And especially if we look at very concrete examples, right? For example, who can build the bridge better than SAP between on-premise and the cloud? It's all SAP, right? We can integrate it, we know how to do it, and we will do it. And even if you go into the cloud, we have different cloud solutions. We have SuccessFactors for HR, we have Ariba for SRM, we have the ERP, we have the private cloud, we have the cloud platform. And of course, customers asking, how should I care about, or why should I care about integration? That's all SAP, you should do this. And they're right. And we are doing that. Exactly. So we will make their life much easier in integrating these products out of the box more. It's very easy. We will enable our customers to digest new innovations, new business solutions much faster. This is the ultimate goal, what we want to achieve. Fantastic.
Okay. And the other thing you were talking about, you touched on partnership with NetApp. And hey, here we are at Insight, at NetApp Insight. So I'm always interested in what it's like to work with NetApp, either as a partner or as a customer. In your case, obviously, as a partner. What's it like? And don't feel contractually obligated to say nice things about NetApp. What do you really think?
Actually, we have a long history with partnering with NetApp. It started already in 1998 when we did the first proof of concept with NetApp. And I cannot sorry to say that, but it's very positive overall. Yeah? So NetApp helped us a lot in running our shop more efficient, this will continue as well in the future. So NetApp is an important partner for us in creating this uniform platform. What I like with NetApp is certainly that they always listen to us. So they've never lost this spirit, like listen to your customer. So I can tell you whenever we have an idea what we need to have in order to make our world more easy, they listen to us and we really can impact or influence their products. So that's certainly, just to let you know, SAP is one of the biggest customers of NetApp in Europe. And so
so customer and partner, of course you are. Yes. Well.
And therefore, so NetApp is not only a customer, but also with this we also enable NetApp to serve our customers and partners as well. Just to talk a little bit about partners overall, I think SAP is very famous for its partner ecosystem, and that will continue. Even that, of course, we run everything out of our cloud, it cannot be done without partners. Just to give you also one concrete example, if you look at all these specific industries like pharma, FISMA, utilities, public sectors, we cannot serve that all on our own. So we need partners. And therefore we want to have this open platform where partners can be integrated. And that's also where we work together with NetApp, how to, evolve this openness to come up with standard APIs, with standard interfaces that our partners can integrate into this new world, so to say.
That's a tremendous place to bring this to a close. Yes. Martin Heisig, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ricky. It was really a pleasure.
It's been great to talk to you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you very much.
He's been Martin Heisig from SAP. I've been Richie Jennings. Thanks so much for watching.